G-I-F-F-I, moving bring us all high. G-I-F-F-I, where stories touch the sky.
You know, in democracy, we say we have four pillars. Multiple pillars are there in democracy. Media and press is one of them. Because without them, you cannot even see what's going around. So people who are doing this work effortlessly, they should be honored. And especially we are thankful to Times Bangla and Times Nation, who are the media partner of our event. I would urge and request the team Times Bangla and Times Nation to please come on stage and be the part of this grand felicitation. And thank you very much to the entire team of Times Bangla and Times Nation for being our media partner, our very prestigious media partner. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for them, our media partner, Times Bangla and Times Nation. Shoikat Dash will do the honor by felicitating the fourth pillar of democracy, the Team Bangla and Team Nation. They are catering news to the diverse audience, not only to the Bengali people, to the mass audience of the entire country. So ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to felicitate the entire team. And also I would request all of our guests and audience, please give them a big round of applause. I'm sure your interviews are being featured by them, and definitely will see them in their portals or in their channel very soon. And we wholeheartedly thank them for supporting us, because this kind of event needs a lot of support and cooperation from the different part of the society, different people who are into different profession and different background, because without all of our joint effort, this kind of events never be possible. So thank you very much, are honored, and we are definitely delighted to have our media team, our media partner, Times Bangla and Times Nation, for supporting us with their media sponsorship and media support. Now it is the time for the camera team, because all the pictures that you will see in our social media platform, they are only because of them. The videos, the pictures, without them, this award ceremony is impossible. Because when we talk about today, we always talk about physical evidence. See, nobody believes in what you have done. Everybody believes what you have done in social media, and you have published them in the social media in a pictorial form, on a video format. So that is the biggest proof that you have done something. So these are the one who will be providing you the physical evidence by giving you the pictures and videos of today's event. So I would request the camera team to come on stage, and it is our honor that they are helping us to make this event possible. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for this entire camera team and see their faces. If your face is not correct or cropped or any way any defects comes, they are the one who will be responsible. They can see the world from the other part of the lens. I would now request Mr. Somnath Pal, one of our distinguished jury member, critics and advisor, Mr. Somnath Pal, to please be here on stage, and please clap for him, because without him the entire process was incomplete. Mr. Somnath Pal, jury member, critics and advisor. You definitely need the eye of a jewel, because because if you don't have a jewel maker or a goldsmith's eye, you probably cannot distinguish the jewel and gems. The stones may find like a jewel, or a glass will find like a jewel, and you might ignore the real jewels and gems. So definitely they are the one who is having the vision, who selected the movies according to their vision. Now, Amit Basu will do the honor by honoring and felicitating our jury member Shomnath Pal. He's one of our jury member. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for him. Now, we will continue with the Best Feature Film India, and we have 4 second award winner for this category. So now we will call their names, and first the second award goes to Sameer Babu from India for the movie Remembering Snow Falling Days. Sameer Babu is here with us? I think Sameer Babu is not here with us. Then it is Yahu Thangba Khaimu, Rakesh Naurim from Manipur. Oh, he is here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for Rakesh Naurim from Manipur. We are really delighted and we are honored that the far east of our India is also taking part into this movement. The movement that is to spread the art of storytelling and inject and ignite the inspiration within the fraternity. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for Ramesh Navarem from Manipur. Next is Surajit Pachal from Kolkata. Na Manusher Golpo, the movie Na Manusher Golpo, and the director is Surajit Pachal from Kolkata. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Surajit Pachal is here with us. Please clap for Mr. Surajit Pachal, and the team Na Manusher Golpo is here on stage. Please clap for them. Okay, director is not here with us, but don't worry, the producers and the members are here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for them. They will be receiving Mr. Zakir Hussain, not the tabla player, but the producer, definitely, and he will receive the award on behalf of the director. Next, the second award for the same category goes to Nandan Ghosh from Kolkata for the movie Get Up King Shuk. Get Up King Shuk, and the director is Nandan Ghosh. Nandan Ghosh. I think Nandan Ghosh is not here with us. Now it is the time for the first award, and we have a joint winner for this category. Jitendra Pradhan from Odisha, and the movie is Guruji Namaskar. Jitendra Pradhan. The team Jitendra Pradhan will come on stage to receive their award. Guruji Namaskar. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for them. Can we have a big possible round of applause for the entire team? Jitendra Pradhan from Odisha, India. For the movie Guruji Namaskar, Best Feature Film India, first award jointly goes to Guruji Namaskar. Thank you very much to all the entire beautiful team of Guruji Namaskar. Now it's the time for the award for this category. First award goes to Raghunath Manet from France for the movie Retour à Pondicherry. Ladies and gentlemen, he is from France. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. He's not just a movie director, he's not just from the fraternity, he is also a representative of Indian culture in the France embassy, and he's doing a lot of Indian culture showcasing over there in France. He is the one who is living and showcasing our vibrant culture to the country called France. A country which is a country of art, love, romance, renaissance. So they are always art lover. They're always very open and vibrant people. Over there, Indian culture definitely fit in because our mentality definitely fits in with their creativity, and he is the one who is representing our India into far off and west. So ladies and gentlemen, please clap for Raghunathan Monte from France. And thank you very much, sir, for coming over here and joining this award ceremony. Okay, yes, definitely, sir, the podium is here for you. Sir wants to share some words, and definitely he deserves to be sharing that words because, as I've said, he's not just a filmmaker, he's the one who is also representing our Indian foreign country.
Namaskar. Sorry, my English must be very bad because generally I speak French and Tamil. I was born in Pondicherry, brought up in Paris, and I was longing for Indian culture. I wanted to learn dance. They said no dance for a man. I learned it. And after I wanted to learn Veena, they said no, it's made for a woman. I said, come on. I learned it. I've been playing with all the greatest musicians of the world, jazz band as well as in France, performing. And after I was writing books, because it's not easy to perform in France, they will always ask, who's your God, why he has so many hands, what is your philosophy, what is your mythology, what is your music, what is your dance, what is your cinema. You have to be really update yourself. So I've done a PhD about temple dances of India, especially in Pondicherry, and started doing a lot of films. They explained my Tandava dance, why Shiva dances, what is his philosophy, etc. So from childhood, I've been handling a camera, coming to India and interviewing all the dancers, old dancers. Unfortunately, they've all passed away, temple dancers, great masters of India in South. And finally, I really could make many movies. And this is my first feature movie. Hope you can all enjoy. I love Calcutta. Thanks. I dedicate my award to Shiva. So thank you so much to listen to me. Thank you.
Trust me, when you are doing some artwork or some piece of art in France, the France people are really very inquisitive. We generally, a lot of time, just watch our piece of art just for the sake of watching. But they are so inquisitive that they will always ask you the history, the background, the sources, and that's ensured the people who are inclined towards art, because when you are just watching a picture or a portrait, it means just you are watching it, but when you are drowned into the history, background and the details of it, it means you are actually into the art and the making of the art. So that is the way they respect and salute the creation of art. So I think as a Bengali, as a person from City of Joy and the City of Culture and Heritage, we too have a little bit legacy like that, because we are too very inquisitive at times. Whenever we have something, we ask why not, why this and why that. And always we are very curious about others' culture, their food habit, how they wear some dresses or what are their festivals and culture. And trust me, if you are from Mumbai over here, definitely if you come over here and visit during Ganpati Utsav, you will find so many Ganpati Utsavs are over here. Now we also start making modaks at home. People who are from Kerala, they will find we started doing this Onam and this flower rangoli in our doorsteps also, following them. So whatever good around the world, we always absorb those good things in our culture and tradition. That's the beauty of the city and our people.
Now it's time for the host and the host of this evening, right? So we must felicitate him. Mr. Dhruvo Jyoti Sen. Please, a big round of him. Please, a big round of applause to আচ্ছা এটা
You know, the best thing about the award and this recognition comes with always a great responsibilities and lot of consequences. When he was delivering the award, he said, see, when you are getting this award, remember, you do not forget to say again and again about the award, featuring of the Antarale movie, because soon we are going to feature Antarale over here. So I would request you all, be present and watch the movie. I'm sure if the movie already won 90 plus awards in different category, that means it really deserved to be watched by all the movie lovers. Now it is time for the person who was restlessly taking interview outside of the auditorium of all the winners. Mr. Onushtu Pal is here with us. He's a very young person, but he's a very energetic one, and he tried his level best to entertain you and cooperate with you. So it is the time to felicitate Mr. Onushtu Pal, and I'm sure he must continue his great work. Now is the time for the Thali girls, because without them it is impossible to give away the awards. I'm sure if you go to any award ceremony or any national or international award, nobody gives honor to the Thali girls because they are just to carry the award. But who will give the award? So that is why we are special, because we consider every bit of cooperation and participation is important for us. Maybe the cameraman, maybe the Thali girl, maybe the performers, but everyone, it's really important because we all together make this happen. In a negative way, हम किसी को नहीं छोड़ते हैं. No, now this word I cannot say. He's saying हमको सबको देते हैं. Now that will become something very negative. We don't believe in देना in negative way. But yes, हम किसी को नहीं छोड़ते. We always respect everyone and everybody's effort over here, and definitely they should be recognized. And that's the problem, you know. In Bengali there is a proverb, गेओ जोगी भीख पाए ना. इट मीन्स अगर गांव का भिखारी है तो गांव वाले उसको भीख ही नहीं देते. बाहर का कोई आता है तो अच्छा भीख लेके जाता है, पर अपने जो गांव वाले होते हैं उनको भीख नहीं मिलता है. बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज इग्नोर आवर पीपल, बट इट इज़ द टाइम टू अप्रिशिएट ऑल ऑफ देम. All our team members, Shurjo, Deep, and whoever is there with us, I would request you all to be over here and we will felicitate all of them. This young talent, they are doing effortless work from yesterday. As we all know that our telecast of the movies or the featuring of the movies were done yesterday. So since yesterday or maybe a week long, they have started their journey. Because for you, maybe a day of award. Shurjadeep Datta and Deep Roy. Shurjadeep Datta and Deep Roy. The entire team of the 5th edition of GIFFI. Okay, now is the time for the people who are into the reception. A lot of time we went to reception, asked a lot of query and question, and they tried their level best to help you by giving answer. Now you might ask, who give a felicitation to reception people? But we believe they are also doing their work. Because they are doing their work, that's why you all are over here in the right place at the right time. So it is the time to felicitate all the people who are doing their beautiful job at the reception counter. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for them. As we have said, हम किसी को नहीं छोड़ते, and definitely we किसी को ही नहीं छोड़ते हैं. Tinku Dash and Akash also. Akash Dash. Tinku Dash and Akash Dash, also a member of our team, GIFFI Edition 5, is here with us. So ladies and gentlemen, please clap for them. They are also doing a restless work for us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the fag end of our award distribution ceremony, and we just have one last category left, which is Best Feature Film Foreign. But before we give away the award, I would request you all, I need your honest feedback. You were over here for last few hours, many hours, I must say. Did you enjoy it? Only this much. I need a louder reply. Did you enjoy it? Hope to see you again, once again in our ISFFI. How many people are coming? Oh, so many. It's really inspiring. So if you really want to join ISFFI, probably FFA award ceremony, and which is going to be happen probably in the month of February to March. That will be yes, the registration process is already started, and the date will be announced very shortly in our social media platform. So if you really want to register yourself, the registration process is already started. So hope to see you again in the heart of City of Joy, and I hope you have enjoyed a lot. And it is the time to have a group picture and national anthem, but before that we have one category which is left. Okay. Now I have a serious warning from the team member. You should not say it is end, because we have a film telecast over here which is Antorale, and I would request you all to be over here and watch the telecast of Antorale. But before that, we have the category Best Feature Film Foreign. Best Feature Film Foreign, second award goes to Indrani Davaluri from United States for the movie Andhela Rava Midhi. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for Indrani Davaluri from United States. I would again request, please do not leave the auditorium, because we will be showing the movie Antorale, which has already participated in more than 90 plus national and international film fair or film festivals rather, and they have received more than 150 awards in different categories. So it means the film definitely have some substance, and people who are doing this movie, they are not a very seasoned actor, I must say. They are from different professional background, but for their love of cinema, they are doing it. So I would request you all, please be over here and watch the movie and appreciate, so that we can move on. The entire event, I would request you all to be please present in the group picture. Thank you very much. I would request you all, please go to your respective seats and acquire your stage seats over there. And one more request, whenever you post the picture on social media, hello, ladies and gentlemen, I need your attention, please. Everybody, hello, I need your attention. Hello, everybody. Whenever you post the picture in the social media, please do not forget to mention hashtag GIFFI5, or else we'll not be able to find all the picture. So I would request, whenever you post the pictures on Facebook and social media, please mention hashtag GIFFI5 so that we can find all of your beautiful pictures and video, whatever you have gathered.